Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to airdrop files from your MacBook to another MacBook or even to an iPad or iPhone. So this is how you do it. So we're going to come over here to our Finder window and open that up. Then we're going to select whatever document it is that you want to send from your MacBook to someone else's MacBook or another device of yours, or even another device of someone else's. So I'm going to pick this particular document right here that says typical wedding photo list. And then I'm going to come up here to this little box with the arrow coming out of the top of it and click it. It's going to give me a drop down menu that says AirDrop. And you're going to select AirDrop. Okay. Then it's going to bring up this screen and it says to share with someone using iOS, ask them to open Control Center and turn on AirDrop. On a Mac, ask them to go to the AirDrop in the Finder. I'll show you guys how to do that in just a second. Now, because my iPhone is already connected to my MacBook, it automatically comes up as a recipient. So, to go ahead and send this list to myself, all I'm going to do is click here, and it's going to automatically send it. And then, you guys can't see it, but it already popped up on my phone. So I'm going to click Done. Now, if I were to receive something from another MacBook or another iOS device, which we will go and do now, you're going to come over here to this sidebar menu and click on AirDrop. And as you guys can see, my iPhone is already up here. So then I'm going to AirDrop the same document back to myself from my iPhone. And I will show you how to do this over there in just a second. And now that same file, if I come over here to my downloads folder, is right here. And it's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and record how to do this on your iPhone and iPad here in just a minute. But that's all you need to know for the MacBook. So now we're going to go over doing this on the iPhone. This is actually my home screen on my iPhone, and it's pretty simple to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the file that you want to send. In this case, we're going to choose a photo. So let's go through and let's pick this photo. So then we're going to come down here to the bottom and tap the little square with the arrow coming out of the top of it. And it's going to bring up this menu here in just a second. There it is. Now you guys can see at the top of this menu where it has my picture. It has my MacBook Air already connected to it. So all I'm going to have to do is click on it and it will automatically send this photo to my MacBook. And now you guys can see it says sent underneath my picture. That photo is now available in my downloads folder on my MacBook Air. And so now all we're going to do is close out of everything, and it's that quick. Alright, so I figured we'd go ahead and show you how to airdrop something from your iPad to another iOS device, because sometimes they like to rearrange things a little bit on the iPad, and so it's slightly different than an iPhone. So we're going to open up the Photos app. We're going to come in here and select a photo to send to my MacBook Air. There's my All Photos file. So let's take a minute and look for a photo. Okay, let's go ahead and select this one right here. So then we're going to tap the little square up here in the corner with the arrow coming out of it, and it's going to bring up the same menu. And I'm going to go ahead and click or tap on my photo to send it to my MacBook Air. So there it goes. Now, because this is a larger photo file, it's going to take a little bit longer to send, which is why you saw that screen. But it's sending. And now you guys can see that it says sent under my photo. That means that this photo is now available on the downloads folder on my MacBook Air.